In this video, you will learn how to share your WhatsApp story to your Facebook story. So hey, I'm Sam and welcome to our channel How to Guide It. If you want to share your WhatsApp story to Facebook, you have to follow this video. But before starting the video, make sure to like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can never miss any update in the future. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your WhatsApp for sharing your story. So I have opened my WhatsApp. Now I will go to my story section and now I will click on the photo icon which is on the bottom right side of the page, and I have clicked on it. And now I will click on the latest picture which I want to share on my story. So I have clicked on this picture and I want to share this story and share this picture as my WhatsApp story, and same I want to share this directly to Facebook. So I will write a caption to it. So I will write my, and I will just simply write a heart. So I will click on the share button which is on the bottom right side of the page, and now it is asking me that sending. And now you can see that below the story you can see that share to Facebook story is written. So I have to simply click on the share to Facebook story. So this story will be shared, and now if I click on the share now, and I have clicked on it, and now this story is directly shared to Facebook through my WhatsApp. So this is the simple process of sharing your WhatsApp story to your Facebook. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can never miss any update in the future. And if you have any confusions in your mind, you can ask them in the comment section below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.